Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene Kabunde. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. So on this channel we talk about nature and agriculture. So today I'm visiting a poultry farm known as Onjueru Poultry Farmers. So let's get in and see what is it. It all starts from zero, so let's tune in and see. Hello, do you wish to have chicken or do you wish to have a poultry farm? So Onjueru Poultry Farmers is here for you. So at this stage you can see we have 2 month chicks, and we also have are we called chicks? So like a 2 month chick goes to about 300. So depending on what you want. As you can see, we have healthy chicks. So once, okay, they are already vaccinated, so you just come, pay. So you just come and order the number of chicks you want. Yeah, depending on the number you order, they deliver. Yes. Well, it is good at least to start from somewhere, so at least you can have even 2 chicks as you start. Then feeding kinda is not a problem because you can you just give them kales. Then at some point at least you'll be required to do even the kienyeji mash. So guys, how do you call your chicken at home? So this is the way we do in our land. Like you just do and the chicks come. I'd wish to know on how you call your chicks. So please comment down below and let me know what you think or how you do it. Yes. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Keep in touch. Always check for my videos. If you love the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, share and comment down below. Thank you.